Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures. Today is Sunday, February 25. So here we are looking at a weekly chart, and here we are considering two scenarios. The primary scenario is the bullish one and shows us that after doing a wave 1 here in the higher degree, we had a wave 2 pullback in the higher degree, and then from here we started this wave 3 in the higher degree. So this wave 3 should unfold as 5 waves. For the moment, yeah, it's a bit hard to say in which degree we are actually working, but I would say so far we have 3 waves, or we are working on the third wave at least. Like this looks like a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and now this wave 3 could be going on. This here is our first target, I would say. If we take the length of the wave 1, length of wave 2, then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the target for our wave 3. So that looks bullish. The NASDAQ is also bullish. We are making higher highs, higher lows. So therefore, the scenario in green is my primary scenario. As you can see, we are here at an interesting level for the bearish scenario. So from an Elliott Wave point of view, it is still possible that this wave 2 low was not in yet, but that we still have to make the wave 2 low. And what would happen then is the corrective move here was just part of an expanded flat. So 1, 2, 3 as a wave A. Now we have our overshooting wave B, again in 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, and then from here we should have a C wave down as a wave 2. So that's still a possibility because we are here in the wave B area, the overshooting wave B area. So if we take the length of this wave A, potential wave A, then here the area between the 1 and the 1.236 FIB extension is the area where our wave B can go. And so for now we are in this area. I put an invalidation level like around here, a bit above this area. But yeah, it is actually better to look at the sub waves here and the RSI here of this sub waves to define the real invalidation. But okay, like let's say this is some kind of level. If we would go beyond this level, then this overshooting wave B becomes very unlikely. So let's go to the daily. And so here for the bearish scenario, I think the daily is the most interesting time frame now, in the sense that if we are in the bearish scenario, so the bearish scenario in the weekly, in the higher time frame, then this here should be our C wave. And so as long as we see an ending structure here as a C wave, we can still be in the bearish scenario. If we would see a new cycle up, that would actually mean that, yeah, we will go way beyond the level right here, and then we cannot really have an overshooting wave B anymore. Then we are simply in the scenario in green, with more upside to come. But for now, I would say the ending structure as a wave C is still there. I would count it as a wave 1, wave 2, then probably here the wave 3, 4, 5, or actually, or wave 3 could also be right here. That's also a possibility. For the moment, this is hard to say, but the thing to watch is here the RSI. If we would take out the this RSI reading here, wave 3 or wave 3 of 3, that would mean that we are starting some kind of new upward cycle. And if we would start a new upward cycle, like I said, yeah, we will definitely take out the level right here, and then we can no longer have an overshooting wave B. So for me, okay, this level is important, but I believe, yeah, the RSI will be kind of a confirmation if this wave C can still hold or not. So let's further watch this. However, like I said, the bearish scenario in the higher time frame is my secondary scenario. My primary one is the bullish one. The NASDAQ is making higher highs, higher lows. So for now, the count in green is my primary count. If we see a strong downward reaction after having finished an upward structure here, then yeah, we might have to put more attention to the bearish scenario. But for the moment, there's not really a reason to do this. We just have to be aware that it could happen, so that we do not get surprised. Then if we go to the 4 hour, so here in the 4 hour, in my last video, I told you that if we would take out the low right here, I think when I made my video, we did not take out the low yet. But then I said that we had to look for an yeah, probably a wave 4 correction. So for instance, an ABC structure, and this is what we got. So here we have our wave 4 area. So then, like I said in my last video, I was looking at this level as an invalidation level, this wave 2. So if we take the length of this wave 3, then this was the wave 4 area between the 0.236 and the 0.618 FIB retracements. And here, after a nice 3 waves move down, so corrective move down, we got a reaction here from the equal leg area. If we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, then here this area between the one, I'm sorry, let's make this a bit more, between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Yeah, perfect reaction from this area. We went back up, and so now we actually already took out the wave 3 high. So that means technically the wave 4 could be in, as we took out the wave 3 high. However, we can also see again something like this, with another 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's again a possibility. That's always a possibility. This could be our 5th wave, as it is an impulse taking out the wave 3. However, from a distribution point of view, as we have nicely like 5 waves here, also 5 waves here, we would expect also something like yeah, like 5 waves. This would be kind of a very short 5th wave compared to our wave 3, compared to our wave 1. But technically it is possible. We have an impulse, we took out the wave 3 high, and we have divergence compared to our wave 3 or our wave 3 of 3. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame. So yeah, I had an invalidation level here for the count in red, but for the bearish scenario in the higher time frame. But yeah, let's take this here as an invalidation level, and like I said, it is more important to watch what is happening with the RSI on the daily. This will be my true confirmation if we can still hold the bearish scenario or not. Of course, we cannot extend too much as an expanded flat. So yeah, somewhere around here, we can have our invalidation level. Now, in the lower time frame, let's go through some scenarios. So, like I said, this can be our fifth wave, but then our fifth wave would be quite short compared to our wave 3, compared to our wave 1. So I would expect again something like 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, at the same time, there might be something tricky right here. What could happen is, for now, I'm showing this as a wave 4 low, but we could still have an expanded flat or running flat as a wave 4. And so that would mean that we are still working on the correction. So then this here could be our wave A. So 1, 2, 3. Then this here could be our wave B, overshooting wave B. As you can see, we are still in the wave B area, which is the area between the 1 and the 1.236 FIB extension. So that's a possibility. And then from here, we would expect an impulse down as a wave C to make the wave 4 low. So then normally expanded flat, we take out here or wave A low as an impulse. However, if we have a running flat, we can end somewhere here, not taking out the wave A low. But okay, I will take the most bullish scenario now as my primary scenario. However, yeah, we cannot exclude this kind of move, expanded flat structure or running flat structure as a wave 4. That's always possible. So okay, if we get some pullback here as a wave 2, so could be that indeed pullback and that this low is holding. However, if we would take out the low, that would not really make the NASDAQ bearish, I would say, because then we can still have the running flat as a wave 4. Actually, the true invalidation level would be here, the wave too low. So we can still have a wave 4 taking out the low right here. That's still a possibility. But okay, most bullish situation is, again, this was the corrective move. The corrective move was in, and we start a new impulse up, be it our fifth wave to the upside. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another update on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.